Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 16 Pro Max to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then, in order to set it up, you need to tap on Available Options. Over here on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first to pop-ups. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. On iPhone though, all you need to do is hit allow full access in the first pop-up and then wherever you want to right away in all the other ones. Now hit send at the bottom left corner of iPhone and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on iPhone, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finish, hit send next to selected at the bottom, close in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and then decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon above user guide, close a node, allow camera access and simply point your device at the code. To input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!